Game, let's
Good
go.
experience, yeah.
3, 2. Action.
Good morning and welcome to another episode of Mornings with the Limbs. So this will actually be our official first episode kasi the first 4 na na-upload namin are actually just a trial. So for this particular channel, we will talk about mostly anything about real estate. So for today, I have actually prepared sets of questions. Please do stay with us as we answer these questions. I'll start off with, why do you need to know the client's reason for buying?
Yung client's purpose for buying a unit kasi we have to determine kung end user ba siya or for investment. Kasi if for investment, we have Solmera Coast and Conchalo Crest, yung mga condo daw projects natin that are income generating. Kasi kung investment nga, yun yung best that we can recommend. Versus kung end user, we can determine kung saan location talaga niya preferred, kung malapit sa school or kung malapit sa hospital, ganyan. For the next question, why choose DMCI Homes?
Why DMCI Homes? As a new real estate agent, I choose DMCI. Mainly because of their Lumivent design technology. Yung Lumivent design nila kasi, mafe-feel mo talaga yung natural flow of air and light sa mga hallways nila. I'm gonna consider yung ganitong spacious na design ng mga projects ng DMCI. At the same time, yung amenities. Ang ganda, resort-inspired, pet-friendly. So, yun.
Perfect.
Next question. What's your non-negotiable?
So sa akin yung sa non-negotiables, una-una is yung price bilang buyer. Gusto ko yung kaya kong bayaran. Number 2 is yung location. Dapat malapit siya sa school ng mga anak ko para at least pagkababiyahe, hindi ako mahihirapan. Tapos in the near future, pagka kaya nilang mag-commute, at least malapit lang sila sa bahay. Number 3, so dapat maganda yung neighborhood, safe yung vicinity ba? Alam kong safe and secure sila anytime of the day. So, yan yung mga non-negotiables ko.
Okay.
Next question natin is, which DMCI project is the best for you?
Sa akin, ang lagi kong sinasagot pag tinatanong ako ng clients, just a question na yan, will be the same. Whenever the late founder was asked of that question, ang laging sagot, whichever is the newest project is the best project. As I've been working and offering DMCI for 7 years now, nakita ko talaga na nagbabago talaga yung projects na. Even from the minor detail like yung button sa elevator na dati bawat floor meron, na ngayon naging 9 buttons na lang, and then you just choose a combination. And then yung sa roof deck din na dating flat lang, naging sloping na siya to make sure na walang water na matatrap sa ibabaw. So talagang nagkakaroon ng changes along the way. So even the balconies, dating all with balconies lang, ngayon there are units without a balcony then. So if you would like to maximize the livable space. So as a sales agent, I would say na the newer projects are evolving talaga. Pero syempre, as a consumer, meron din akong favorite. Talagang totoo na you live in a DMCI community, magkakaroon ka rin talaga ng favorites. So for me, the Celandine is my favorite, syempre. And then, eventually, until dumating sa time na you are the type of person who can buy multiple properties. Kapag nangyari na yon, pwede kang bumili ng other properties na magiging for investment, pero there will always be this property na lagi kang uuwi. Kasi doon ka nag-decide tumira.
Yeah.
So for me, that is the Celandine. Meron pa tayong 4 questions. Tag-isa pa tayo. The next question is,
Exciting.
yes. Next question is, what is your most memorable sale?
Sa akin, it would have to be my first Saturday sale. Kasi, bali mag-boyfriend yung clients. Tapos, may sakit kasi yung cat ko nun. So, sabi ko, ayoko dapat umalis. Pero since we prioritize the schedule for clients, sabi ko, papavet kita after, may tour lang talaga ako, wait lang. Tapos yun nga, nag-reserve na yung clients and nakakapag-check up naman kami and okay siya ngayon. Tapos ngayon, mag-asawa na sila.
Yay! Inspiring story.
How do you help the client in deciding which property to buy?
Para matulungan ko si client which property to buy, di ba?
Yeah.
By asking them open-ended questions. Para at least ma-filter out mo yung mga properties na para sa kanila talaga. Kumbaga, iti-tailor fit mo. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng kliyente natin pare-parehas yung gusto. Tapos yung pangangailangan, they all have different wants tsaka needs, syempre. So, by asking the right questions, magagawa mong mag-recommend ng project na para sa kanila talaga.
Perfect.
Amen.
Okay, next.
How many bedrooms do you normally recommend?
Sige.
I'll answer the question. What I would recommend, it would still depend on the client's needs. Diba? Kung ako yung mag-offer or mag-recommend, I would suggest yung bigger unit na. Kasi eventually, kapag nagkaroon kayo ng family, instead na mag-upgrade kayo from 1BR to 2BR, which is malayo din yung price difference kasi. So, mas maganda na nandun ka na sa 2BR unit. Saka, mas madali na rin siyang ibenta. Kasi, yung resale value niya, kumbaga, tumataas, nag-appreciate over time. So,
Okay
the
na
last
to.
question
Okay.
is for the top manager. Drum roll, please. Nakabante ba?
Ano yan?
So, how important is the location in choosing a property?
Okay.
And why?
Sa akin, yung location will always be one of the top reasons in buying a property. So, for example, may client ako. Kadalasan naman ang unang question sa atin is, they have a project near this specific location or this establishment. Parang ganon. Although it is very important, it is not the most important. Kasi sa akin, yung location is, isa yan sa main reasons kung bakit yung price ng properties are different. Kasi of course, there are some locations that are more expensive than others, mainly because mas prime din yung location niya. So, sa akin, if you were to ask my professional advice, yes, location is important, but I would rather go for, let's say, the developer over the location. Kasi if we just focus on a specific location na gusto mo talaga nandito yung condo mo, at wala dun yung developer na yon, and you opted to, at kunwari nagsettle ka into going further that developer na meron doon, you might end up regretting that decision in the future. For me, at least that is for me. Kasi sa akin, in guiding our clients in deciding on which ones to purchase, we can just give them all the options, all the pros and cons, but at the end of the day, it will still be their decision that will really matter. Kasi sila yung magbabayad eh, di ba? Pero yun lang, for me, at least from my own personal perspective and professional perspective, location is very important, but it's not everything talaga. All right? So, wala na tayong questions. So, I think that's it for today's episode. Now, moving forward for the videos that we will be making, it will mainly focus on parang topics about real estate. You've heard DMCI a number of times today, of course, because that's our most favorite developer. Pero if you have topics that you would like us to talk about, particularly real estate, please let us know. But if you haven't subscribed, please do so. But for now, that's it.
Bye.
Bye.
Let's go.
The moment of truth.